Cucumbers are one of the healthiest and most refreshing vegetables you can eat, offering a surprising number of benefits despite being low in calories and made mostly of water. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and natural plant compounds, cucumbers can support everything from hydration and digestion to heart health and glowing skin. Their crisp texture and cooling effect make them popular around the world, especially in salads, smoothies, detox drinks, and healthy snacks. Although cucumbers may seem simple, nutrition experts continue to praise them for their ability to support overall wellness naturally. Adding cucumbers to your daily diet is an easy and affordable way to improve your health while enjoying a delicious and versatile food. Number 1. Cucumbers keep the body hydrated. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, making them excellent for keeping the body hydrated and refreshed throughout the day. Proper hydration supports energy levels, healthy circulation, joint lubrication, body temperature regulation, and brain function. Eating cucumbers regularly can help people who struggle to drink enough water, especially during hot weather or after exercise. Number 2. Cucumbers support weight loss. Cucumbers are extremely low in calories but still help you feel full because of their water and fiber content. Replacing unhealthy snacks with cucumber slices can reduce calorie intake while satisfying hunger naturally. Their refreshing crunch also makes them a perfect addition to healthy meal plans and weight management diets. Number 3. Cucumbers improve digestion. The fiber and water found in cucumbers help food move smoothly through the digestive system and may reduce constipation and bloating. Eating cucumbers with the peel provides even more fiber, which supports regular bowel movements and better gut health. Their natural cooling properties may also help calm the stomach and improve digestion. Number 4. Cucumbers promote healthy skin. Cucumbers are famous for their skin benefits because they contain antioxidants, vitamin C, and hydrating compounds that nourish the skin from within. They may help reduce puffiness, irritation, dryness, and signs of aging caused by environmental stress. Many people also apply cucumber slices directly to the skin to soothe tired eyes and sunburns. Number 5. Cucumbers help regulate blood pressure. Cucumbers contain potassium, an important mineral that helps balance sodium levels and supports healthy blood pressure. Proper hydration from cucumbers also assists blood circulation and overall cardiovascular function. Including potassium-rich foods like cucumbers in your diet may support long-term heart health. Number 6. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants found in cucumbers help protect the body from harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic disease. These compounds may reduce inflammation and strengthen the immune system over time. Regularly eating antioxidant-rich vegetables like cucumbers can support healthier aging and better overall wellness. Number 7. Cucumbers support heart health. Cucumbers contain nutrients such as potassium, fiber, and antioxidants that help support a healthy cardiovascular system. Fiber may help maintain healthier cholesterol levels, while hydration supports proper blood flow and circulation. Eating cucumbers as part of a balanced diet can contribute to better heart function and reduced cardiovascular risk. Number 8. Cucumbers may help control blood sugar. Because cucumbers are low in carbohydrates and calories, they can be a smart food choice for people trying to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Their fiber content helps slow sugar absorption, preventing sudden spikes in glucose. Some research also suggests that compounds in cucumbers may support insulin function and metabolic health. Number 9. Cucumbers strengthen bones. Cucumbers provide vitamin K, which is essential for healthy bones and proper calcium use in the body. They also contain small amounts of calcium and magnesium that contribute to stronger bones and teeth. Eating cucumbers regularly may help support bone density and reduce the risk of fractures over time. Number 10. Cucumbers help detoxify the body naturally. The high water content in cucumbers helps the body flush out toxins and waste products more effectively through normal bodily processes. Proper hydration supports kidney function and may reduce bloating and water retention. Cucumbers also contain nutrients that support the body's natural detoxification systems and overall health. Cucumbers may not always receive the same attention as other superfoods, but their impressive nutritional profile makes them a powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. From supporting hydration and digestion to promoting healthy skin, heart health, and weight management, cucumbers offer a wide range of benefits in one simple vegetable. Easy to prepare, affordable, and incredibly refreshing, cucumbers are a natural way to improve your daily nutrition and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.